Hey guys, today I just want to talk to you about something that's really quick and easy that you can do for your bike. For about $33 I bought these LED lights online, and it really takes like 2 minutes to put them in, and you separate your bike from the guy next to you. You don't have to spend a lot of money to have a different looking bike than somebody else. So you just pop these lenses off, take the old bulb out, new ones in. I always use pliers because it's kind of deep down in there. Wi-Fi it if you don't have to. You can just roll up these wires, get them out of the way. You can even buy new lenses. I actually thought these lights came with new lenses. You can get new lenses for cheap. For like 10 bucks you can get 2 lenses. You don't even need a screwdriver to pull these off. Just pop right off. I did the fronts a few months back. I did a video on it. I have LED halos front and back. Once I get new lenses, this one will be cleared up. Is that quick? You got $30 plus tax. You get free shipping from Amazon after $25 you spend. You don't have to pay shipping. All you need is a pair of pliers and 2 minutes. And you've just customized your bike for cheap. Alright guys, thanks for watching.